So one of my many projects today is to replace a wall mural that is in the shops. It's outside our store, it faces the hall, and it has our design on it that says Coeur d'Alene is my friend. We came out with it a couple years ago. We put it on some t-shirts and some stickers. Well, we want to freshen things up. We have a new design that we think will look really good in the hallway that people will want to take pictures in front of. It's called our Coeur d'Alene aerial design. We just came out with a t-shirt featuring that design, and it looks really good. Anyways, I wanted to bring you guys with me. I'm not that great of an installer, but we'll see how it goes today. I wanted to bring you guys along and install this new big graphic. First we got to remove the old Coeur d'Alene is my friend graphic, and we'll get this one up. So come along.
Hey, thank you for joining us for today's vinyl wrap installation. The graphic turned out really good. If you get a chance, come down to the store and see it. Take a picture in front of it, tag us at CDA Idaho. If you enjoyed this video, would you please hit the like button? Be sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.